Good day to all. It's definitely been a great pleasure to have the team coming and delivering a financial literacy program to our senior secondary students. I must say, it is a must-take endeavor which has been initiated by Kfi Global and Dubai Islamic Bank. At Aspam IAS, we believe in nurturing and empowering students to become money-wise. Thank you so much to the team who have initiated this and have taken this through with Aspam IAS for more than 5 years now.
My name is Ali Imran, and we had the Kfi Global at our school for starting this program on financial literacy. It was pretty nice. I learned a lot of things like about RAS and how debit cards and credit cards, what difference are there, and how student loans and what about interest rates are there. So I'm really thankful for the Dubai Islamic Bank to start this program and they're sponsored for this. So yeah, thank you.
Hello, my name is Vismay Palaj, and I'd like to thank Kfi Global for running this amazing program in our school. And from this program, we learned various different things about loans and about the debts, the good debts, bad debts, and about the difference between the credit cards and debit cards. And also, I'd like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this video.
My name is Mohammed Ibrahim, and today we learned about financial literacy. I believe this will be very helpful down the line, as financial literacy is important for every adult. We also learned credit card and loans and everything else, including financial literacy. And I thank Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this.
Hi, my name is Mustafa Hussain, and thank you so much Kfi Global for running this amazing program. And I don't think so that we could learn this much amount of things about finance and financial literacy about anywhere else. This would help us in the long run a lot, and thank you for Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this amazing thing.
Hi, I'm Amuk Kumar. So in this program, I learned many things, precautions to take about debt, and then we learned about good debit and bad debit. So that's it.